Americans are quietly changing how they work, study, and travel in 2025, and instead of buying traditional laptops, more people across the USA are switching to tablets with keyboard setups, because modern tablets have reached a point where they handle most daily tasks just as smoothly as laptops while being lighter, faster, and more flexible, and devices like the iPad Pro, Galaxy Tab, and Surface tablets now offer powerful processors, desktop-class apps, and high-refresh displays that feel premium without the bulk of a laptop, which is especially appealing to students, remote workers, frequent travelers, and creators who want performance without carrying extra weight. And one of the biggest reasons behind this trend is portability, because tablets with detachable keyboards are thinner, easier to pack, and more comfortable to use in small spaces like planes, cafes, dorm rooms, and shared workspaces. And battery life also plays a major role, since many tablets last longer on a single charge than laptops, making them ideal for long workdays or travel without constantly searching for power outlets. And when it comes to productivity, cloud-based tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and web apps allow Americans to do most office tasks directly in a browser, reducing the need for full desktop operating systems, while creative users are drawn to tablets because of touch screens and stylus support, which make note-taking, drawing, photo editing, and video planning feel more natural than using a mouse and keyboard. And another key factor driving this shift is cost efficiency, because many tablet and keyboard combinations are now cheaper than premium laptops, especially when buyers don't need advanced software like heavy video editing or 3D modeling. And for students in the USA, tablets have become a single device that replaces notebooks, textbooks, and even lightweight laptops, helping them stay organized and mobile, while professionals working remotely appreciate how quickly tablets wake up, connect instantly, and adapt to different work styles. And entertainment also plays a huge role, since tablets double as excellent streaming and gaming devices once the keyboard is detached, making them more versatile than traditional laptops. And with accessories like external monitors, wireless mice, and cloud storage, tablets can easily transform into full workstation setups at home, then instantly switch back to portable devices when on the move. And what's making Americans more confident in this switch is that software support has improved dramatically, with tablet operating systems now offering multitasking, windowed apps, file management, and external display support that feel closer to a laptop experience than ever before. And while laptops are not disappearing completely, many Americans are realizing that for everyday work, school, browsing, meetings, and content consumption, tablets with keyboards simply make more sense. And as 2025 continues, this trend shows that flexibility, portability, and smart tech choices are becoming more important than sticking to traditional devices, marking a clear shift in how people in the USA define productivity.